Alrighty, we just got started. Welcome back again, everybody. Buddha is here. As always, we're going to take a look at what's happening right now today in the Bitcoin's price action, as well as in cryptocurrencies. So, guys, I purchased another 2% today. As you guys know, earlier today, I told you guys about this. I got into a couple of names that I think that are really important that I want you guys to pay attention to as well. So, let's take a look at them real quick. Before we get into the video, make sure to smash a like, subscribe to this channel, 2 episodes daily, and why don't we straight up jump into it. So the first things first, we got Phil, which is the name that I talked about before, which has dumped on me like crazy, as you guys know. But we only put in around 2%, right? It was around these prices. So I was able to get in another 1% this week to this name, around these prices that we are sitting at. And my average way in is sitting around... let me take a look around on the fill. $29, right? So we got in around $29, and it seems like we got dumped on a little bit, right? But you know what? It's fine because we put in another 1% today, so we only have like 3%. We are down like 30% on this position. At the end of the day, this is how it works, right? So you put less than 5% if you are accumulating it and trying to sell half on a double. It can dump on you like crazy, but it can also pump too, right? You don't know what's going to happen, and nobody does. The point is, we're just buying when everybody else is bleeding away. All right, what else we got? We got the second pick that I have is Theta. This is another NFT name. We put in another 1% today on this. It has dumped on everybody. Look at this. It used to be at $14, and right now we are sitting around $3. It's like... it's an easy, it's an easy quadruple right there that you can do. If you were to go all-time high, and you don't know if it's going to go all-time high, I am only looking for a double over here, and all it needs to do is from these prices to go up to this level, right? And yeah, my setups are giving me a buying opportunity. As you guys know, a lot of green buying opportunity on Theta and Phil. And that's pretty much it. These are the altcoin picks. I want to take a look at you guys' altcoins that you are interested in. So make sure to put them down in the chat section over here. We got a couple of altcoins that people are asking me right now. So I'm going to take a look at them. Do not forget to put your altcoins there. U.S. Senator Toomey admits crypto is here to stay and a diversified portfolio should have some. And that's a great analysis right there. Ethereum fees drop below $5 as L2s take off. We also have Cardano growing around 11% to meet scaling challenges. Pretty interesting over here. What's going on? Ethereum fees dropped to $5 as L2s take off. What is going on over here? Second layer L2s. Oh, okay. That's pretty fascinating. So I guess the second layers, layer 2s, are getting into the Ethereum ecosystem to drop the fees a lot. That's really great to see, guys. Congrats. All right, I am going to take a look at some altcoins in the chat right now. And over 1,000 new cryptocurrencies emerging January 30 on average daily. That's pretty fascinating. All right, let's take a look. Somebody said in chat BTT. Oh, whoa. What is going on? What happened to this? Why is this thing going down? They did the same thing over there. Oh my god, I hate this chart. They do this on purposely, man. Look at this charts. They literally, like, you know, cut the supply or something to drop down the price like that to make you look at a new chart. What a scammer, man. I don't know what's going on there. I don't know what to tell you guys about this one. Just be careful. BTTC. I mean, yeah, this is how does this chart look like? We just can't see the previous data now. They just ruined the chart for everybody to take a look so that it's not dumping on you. Let's take a look at this one over here, Serum. Obviously, this isn't an accumulation time frame over here. This is the time to accumulate Serum. I'm going to add on top of my Serum position. Let's take a look at AVAX. Not a bad location if you ask me. AVAX as well. Below $61 is a great buying opportunity in AVAX. Is it risky to hold all AVAX? My cost is around 72 indeed. No, I don't think so. I don't think so that it's that risky to hold it. Look, it depends on how much cash you have. You know, it could be really risky if you went balls deep into it, right? You have 100% AVAX, you hoping that it's going to go up to like 144, and it may not, you know. The problem is you don't have cash. So if you do have cash, if you have less than 5% in AVAX right now, probably around 2% or something, I would not say you need to be scared. And as long as you have above like 50% cash still to accumulate a little bit more, you know, then you can buy around $30 and still be really well off compared to all the people who bought it over here. So that's the way that you look at it. You know, you're trying to survive, and as long as you survive in AVAX, you're good to go, because you know what AVAX is and you believe in it, and you put less than 5% into it. So even though AVAX should go to hell, you know, there maybe Bitcoin is not going to, and it's going to basically skyrocket your portfolio as long as you diversify your holdings. That's the number one key. All right, let's take a look at Mina. Somebody asked me about Mina. What is this one doing? Mina. Yeah, obviously, if you take a look at this, I would say below $2.12 is a great location. 2.12. Let's take a look at XRP. XRP. Around 50 cents. 50 cents will be interesting. Somebody asked me VPAD. Let me take a look at this. 50 cents will be a great buying location, but I think it's still in an accumulation play. I have some XRP. This is an accumulation play. VPAD. This is Crypto's coin, right? Crypto. Did dump on you? What happened over here? family dumping on you or what? No, I don't think so. I don't know. It said like $1. Is gonna jump on you? Who knows? Nobody knows. Is he really going to? I have no idea. You know, I don't think so. Look at this pump over there. What happened? Did he make a video about VPAD going to $2? What happened over here? Do we have enough volume even on this VPAD thing? What's going on? Did everybody dump on Nah, I'm just kidding. 1.1 billion, man. You created a fucking billionaire overnight. Look at that number over there. If he dumps on you, he's gonna go to 0. 100%. Is he going to really? I don't think so. I mean, if he did, he would not be able to look at anybody, you know. It's probably going to be not a bad coin to hold, to be honest with you. Because he has a ton of people in it, you know. But I haven't bought in, you know. Look at the influencers behind it that he put in over here. So he gave a bunch of coins to these guys, and he's selling it for them. So we got the Moon, we got the BitBoy, we got all these people over here. Pretty crazy. Pretty crazy that he didn't put in like me over here, right? I mean, would I get into this coin? Definitely not. I know many of these guys, but what did they put over here? Not gonna endorse the coin right there, but we got the partners to be all these guys. Yeah, they made shitload of money in this, man. I tell you what, if they unlock their tokens, some of them are gonna fucking dump on you, you know. Like there's only $1.15 million volume over here. Like, you know, this could turn out to be a big mess right here, right? You may actually shit on all the people. That is what they are probably worried about. So you're probably good to go as long as they are not unlocking their tokens, they're not dumping on you. It's just the community dumping to itself. Then that's fine, you know. But if you bring all these influencers and give out the tokens to everybody and all the influencers, and you know what, some of them are gonna dump on them because they made so much money, and none of your audience is gonna make money out of this. You know, this is already at $1 billion market cap, and you think you're gonna go up to like the top 10? You know, you think you're gonna accomplish that with a crowdfunding project? No, it's just a fast cash grab that you can do. Possibly, you know, but you can support the projects with it by them holding the VPAD or somehow do that, and that may sustain its value as long as they are holding it. But as long as you're not creating products and services that people are going to use, they're going to dump on you after they're holding it. And possibly if you create a token that's already at a market cap of $1.1 billion, there's no more room to go for the upside. But You just made a bunch of influencers a bunch of money, and they may always dump on you, and there's no volume in this pair. I'm not saying that's going to be the case, by the way, but that's what I can tell. You know, obviously, if you're gambling with your money, that you just want to trade this thing, and you believe in and nobody's going to dump on you because they haven't unlocked the tokens, that may not be a bad buying opportunity, and you can possibly sell half on a double on this. You know, because it has already dropped like a rock. It's at the same spot that it used to be. Right? So maybe some people are actually protecting this bottom right there, around $1. You know, they could do that. So I have no idea. It's already at $1 billion market cap. It's obviously overvalued, and they want to hold on to the bottom around $1. So it's totally up to you what you want to do or whether you believe in it. But I would say get into it less than 5% and manage your risk. And if you have a ton of it, get rid of some so you don't get wrecked in the worst case scenario. But there's a lot of influencers in it, so they may all start, you know, shilling it on you by the time they unlock their tokens so that they can dump on you and stuff like that. It may get like really ugly over there. They haven't really talked about it though, did they? So that's good to know. All right, what else we got? Yeah, he wouldn't risk his career, probably. I mean, that's a smart thing to do. You know, he wouldn't. Somebody's holding to $1, so it could be him. You know, they all make a shitload of money from VMAX, right? Might as well deploy it to his own coin. It's not a bad move from him, playing the game right. I mean, it's questionable how he plays it, but he's obviously doing something that a lot of people can't do or won't do. Scamming your audience with VMAX referral links. Selling your soul to devil to make a shitload of money. That's up to you if you want to do it. Don't tell to anybody. All right, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna leave it at that. I think that's pretty much it. Just slow and steady wins the race. Some people tell that wording, and it's a fascinating phrase to me. You know, slow and steady wins the race. Come back at the game tomorrow. That's another big one. And accumulate it. It's not a bad location, I think. According to the indicators, not myself, obviously, because I follow my setups and live with the results. And right now, in the stock market, we bounced up a little bit, and Dow Jones is doing pretty good. We have seen PayPal Mafia to be actually losing their ass today. What happened to them? They lost their ass over here. Look at this PayPal chart over here. Short the banks, long the Bitcoin, but you know what? I picked up some PayPal today, actually. So, I don't know. Maybe that's why I'm talking about it, but you know, make your own research about it. This thing dropped like a rock today. Look at the chart. It's a beautiful looking chart. Dropped like 25%. You know what I did? I bought a little bit. I bought some DGen call options for June, I believe. Right? They dropped like 70% in a single day, and you telling me I'm gonna buy some put options after it drop? That's not happening. That's not what I'm gonna do. I put in like really small percentages, as you guys know. I'm like doing these series with my option trading. And in last week, actually, we did with Bitcoin, which we doubled and sold half on a. We sold all on a double. We have been doubling like the last like 2 weeks now, and which has been crazy. That I just can't like get my mind around it. But we'll see if we lose our ass on PayPal though, because we deploy like only the profits into this. So we'll see if we make some money. All I expect, you know, we did the same thing with Netflix. BITO, and this week is PayPal. All I need from this is to fill in this gap, man. I'm not looking for anything. Just fill this gap for the upside over here. Actually, that's a massive move, by the way. If you were to go up to 172, I honestly think if you were to go up to around these prices, that will be still acceptable by me. Because I already bought it a little bit over here. So if you were to go over here, we're probably gonna double in that position. So that will be pretty good. That would be pretty good. All right, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to smash a like, subscribe to this channel. 2 episodes daily, and I will see you guys on another video tomorrow, as always, around 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Take it easy for now, everybody.